Welcome back, guys. Thought I'd turn on the camera because I'm cleaning the workbench. I made some videos cleaning the shop, and you guys found those interesting, so just putting all the stuff we're keeping in this box and finding all the parts for the Clapter, aka the Raptor cart, or the big bore cart. But found some more parts. Found that many parts right there. Now I did weld these nuts on here, and you may ask, why in the heck did I do that? Well, these are stripped out and the threads are completely destroyed on that, and that's the main transmission shafts that the gears go on inside the engine. So those gonna have to be replaced if I ever do this again, or I could just cut it off and do it again, but I don't think I would. I think next time this engine's apart, it'll probably be melted down. Let's just say that. It's pretty rough condition, but we got that welded, so that will stay. Gotta find a couple more parts, and then we finish the transmission, put the gasket on, put this cover on, and the clutch does go on this side, so we gotta put the clutch. Now, the gear wasn't going on right, so we gotta figure that out. Move you guys in some. Oh yeah, guys, thanks for checking the channel and subscribing. I just saw we just hit 3,000 subscribers, and now we're at like 3,011 subscribers, so we're climbing. And I can't believe I made 4 little shorts last night, and they all almost got 3,000 views each, which is a big deal because I usually only get probably 1,200 views every week on one short. So that's a pretty big deal for me, guys. So thanks. And I'm working. I'm a little behind. I'm actually way behind on the Clapter. I said I was going to have it done, or planning on having it done in probably early February, not February, but December, and March is a couple days away. So we're a little behind, but it's better to be behind on something than mess something up because you went fast and you could have missed a part or something. So it should be perfect. The only concerns I have about the Clapter is keep that is that there's a couple spots inside the cases that are cracked, like where transmission drum goes. They're at spots cracked, so I don't know how that's gonna work. Hopefully it works like it's supposed to. And then there's one mount on the far side, which I'll show you. Right, zoom you guys in. Right there, that's cracked, which we're gonna have to weld that in. And I mean, the very top where the cylinder head goes onto the engine, there's a mount up there, so that would probably help. But you don't really want that much stress on that top mount because it can break those bolts probably. If you go over a jump or impact or crash or something. I mean, it ain't like the engine's I mean, I put a lot of work into this engine. I really wish I would have got new cases though, because it saved me a lot of headache and a lot of new parts. But that's what my budget had, so that's what I got. My budget was endless. That would be probably a race engine right there. I mean, it is a race engine, but it look all nice and shiny. I could wire wheel it now. I am planning on painting it though. Planning on painting it, I think, orange to match the go-kart. So I'm planning on doing that. Just that. That. There we go. Got a full United States Postal Service box. I don't see the size on it. Yeah, it's pretty full. Put it over here. Put it right over there, and I'll go ahead and sweep this on the ground, because first I'll sweep the area. Yes, there's a microwave there. I might put it somewhere else, but for now that's where this is. Actually, I'm going to try to sweep it all in. Workbench always gets dirty in here. But, that's looking a lot better, guys, and, there. But, thought I'd make a little short for you guys today. So, actually, nothing about, I know what I talked about. Over here. There's the famous clapter cart. Go check out videos if you haven't, guys. I have a bunch of videos working on this thing. But, I'm going to bring attention to this, which you guys may have seen on the channel before. I do have videos of it. 99 Polaris Magnum 500. Probably gotta disconnect the batteries off of it. Gotta do some work on this. Pretty sure the cam and the timing chain is loose or something, because it has, I haven't checked the compression, but there's no, when you put your hand over the carburetor, it doesn't suck your hand to the carburetor, which I think that's the vacuum, which there's none of that. It doesn't want to start, just cranks and cranks and cranks and cranks and cranks and cranks, but doesn't want to start. And it has spark. I replaced the spark thing, because, and the spark plug, because they were dirty, but they worked. They're just old. But yeah, that's that. And we'll bring attention to the poor 125, aka American Outlaw dirt bike. Basically, we're waiting on sponsors for this, because this is going to be an expensive build. I mean, the motor that I found for it's $2,300, guys, and that's a lot for a Chinese dirt bike motor. If this was a Yamaha or Honda, that'd be somewhat normal. But this is a Chinese dirt bike, so that's a lot. But it's going to be a 190. I might big boy that over, so it's like a 240. Gonna put some really nice rims and tires on it. Gonna put pro taper bars. Gonna do some welding on the frame because the little kickstand broke off when I got it. Like first day it broke off because stuff made in China they like to be cheap on. Now there are a lot of really good welders over in China, but none of them work at the factories. They all work at out in the field and stuff. So, but I don't know if it was robot welds or what, but literally most of the welds on the frame are junk. Now I'm no welder, but my welds may look like garbage, but they will hold stronger than you hit them and they won't crack. I've crack tested my welds and everything, and they're perfect. Let's go over to the Raptor cart, and you see right there, I did some welding. Right where? Right there. I did that. Now that piece is just tacked. I haven't welded that solid. That's still tacked. Right over there. That piece right there, that's solid, mostly. Let's go over there. It's solid pretty still, so that's that, and that's all I have for you guys today. It's snow's mostly melted, so apparently we're supposed to have another blizzard tonight for a full week of snow, but you know what the weatherman usually says ain't right. And we got some stuff coming from Lincoln Electric, which we'll probably do videos on that. Yeah. So, hope you enjoy the show, and please share my channel so YouTube recognizes my channel as it's getting bigger and we get more people. I like helping people, and I hope you like helping people. But as always, guys, keep it off-road, and make sure to leave a comment if you want. Catch you on the next one.